Now, when you will talk again, we'll talk about the cloud native application, right? When we talk about cloud native application, it's a very buzzword nowadays that is being used into the industry. That okay, what is the cloud native application means? Cloud native application is nothing, right? It's a application which can be easily run on a public cloud as well as on your local machine. Like any application which can run on any kind of a public cloud, right? So basically that is your cloud native application. Now if it is going to run on public cloud, you might be having some of the, or you might want that it can be scalable, it can able to self heal itself, it can provide a zero downtime. That is, you when you do any updates, so it's like a incremental updates, and you can run anywhere wherever the Kubernetes or any components are there. So scale on demand means you can scale it. Your traffic grows, or let's say that there is the Amazon festival coming in, and they want to, they have put up a lot of discounts. Now what will happen? Users will increase. They will automatically it will scale, right? If any pod fails, it has a capability to restart itself because of the desired state which is defined in their manifests. So that is why it can restart itself. And that is known as your self-healing capacity. Support zero downtime rolling updates. It means there is an incremental update. For example, you install your WhatsApp, right? After you have installed WhatsApp, for any new update of WhatsApp, it never says, right, that hey, you have to, we are bringing the WhatsApp down and then you have to install a new versions, right? Or you likewise for Facebook, or even you talk, if you see any application in your organization also, you see the same. You never bring down your UI, you never bring down your application component. You just give a new update, and without having any downtime, it just update, it just applies the new version. And definitely wherever the Kubernetes is there, you can run it anywhere at any place. So this is what known as a cloud native applications.